Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I hope you're all doing well. Oh man, finally had a chance to do this after almost 2.5 months. Technically, I'm not supposed to do this, but why talk about this? Just go see it. Okay, guys, this is strictly not prohibited because I can still balance easily on one leg, but this is not starting easily. There seems to be some battery issue. Haven't taken it out in 2 months, just started once in a while, so it's acting a little strange. Got it recharged last week, but it's acting strange up again, so didn't want to change it. If I take it for a spin for like 10 minutes, I need to fuel up anyway. It should be back to normal. Yes, this is not so bad. Just lack the energy in the left leg to do any complex stuff, but still decent energy in the left leg, but need to be very cautious and careful. So please do not repeat this if you are in my situation. Washed these bikes yesterday. Need to go to service center and get this noise checked up, man. My mom and her fascination for plants. Look how many plants. So these movements are fine, but I need to stretch my legs every half an hour. Let's hope this starts and comes at least till the petrol bunk. Oh yes. See, the issue is when I get down, I need to put the entire weight on this and get down, but luckily I can hold the bike. See, those turns, that's something it's hard for me to do. Like moving forward and back is pretty easy. Whew, excited to get back on the bike for the first time. Well, actually not the first. You see that? Got on that for a short while yesterday and went around my colony. Literally zero fuel. Range also zero. Need to get to a fuel bunk, fuel up, and then come back home. That's it. Good job. He should be a good inspiration for everyone. Easy boy, easy. You still have a partially disabled leg. Don't get tempted by the talk. Just go, fuel it up and come. Hey, wait. 3 bars of fuel, but the check light is irritating me. Man, this riding posture is still very, you see that? That's still very aggressive for my current state of the knee. Not feeling much. There's a brace here, so got some support, but need to be very careful. So probably needs a showroom visit to get that light checked. Otherwise all good, guys. This is like freedom for me, but I'm not gonna cross 80. Just for the people who trusted me back home, my wife, to let me go on a bike. Ooh, man, it feels like ages. Much more than when I just came back from Canada last year. This feels more like years since I got on a bike. That sound, dude, that sound. Oh yeah. Need to stretch my leg. Stretching feels quite relieving, so the next petrol bunk I'll just stop, stand, get it refueled, get back home. That's it for today. A short test drive, but definitely worth it. I had a hunch that I can still do the trip with these guys, but it's just me risking too much. Lovely sunset. It rained in Hyderabad, by the way, today. Hence the weather is pretty cool. See, the thing about motorcycles or biking is just that it's just not riding. You'll get times when you need to put both your legs down, turn, twist and rotate. So those things I can't still do perfectly. So in that sense, I need to make sure that I am fully capable of doing all the things on both my feet before I can get on the bike. Actually, let me go to the other Indian Oil petrol pump. That's the itch of riding. You have so many petrol bunks, but you just want to push for that next one. By the way, is that gonna be my next car? Tempted. Only question is, it will be a great city car, so what should I do with my Elantra? Good impression so far on this vehicle. Forget about EVs and cars. Just listen to that bloody exhaust note. Oh, let's fuel up at the next bunk and go home. Full tank, na? I'm sure it's low. Oh, that's bad. It's only 7 or 8. చూసా బండి తీయలేదులే, అందుకని తగ్గింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. पंचर चेक करना है, कितना टाइम लगेगा? please don't tell me. Oh, battery problem shuru. Phone goda taledu. Battery charge करना है, कोई है? अरे अब सीधा घर जाके रुकना है। 10 मिनट क्या 20 मिनट चलाया, रिचार्ज नहीं हुआ, प्रॉब्लम है कुछ। अरे फाइनली धक्का दिया, ऑन हो गया। I think it's time I change the battery. Imagine if the bike didn't start. I have no phone except my landline phone. I don't remember any other phone number. बचपन में we used to remember 20 landline phones. Now smartphones आने के बाद हम dumb हो गया. So I would have had to call my landline, then arrange something. This is what happens if you don't take your bike out for 2 months, guys. And it had a battery issue, and I'm sure the battery ka life ho gaya. It did what, 31,664 kilometers. And what, 2016 mein? Almost 3.5 years now. That's a long time. Can't trust this one to start again. Next stop, if I take it out, gonna take it out to the showroom, man. Now I'm just gonna go home, put this bike off and relax, man. Arey jaane dijiye auto sahab. Man, that's the skyline of Kukatpalli now. Changed so much over the last 10 years. Anyway, what an eventful day. Got the bike after 2.5, almost 3 months now, and the bike stopped. With the right tire pressure, man, this bike is lovely. Anyway guys, so we'll catch you guys at home. Hey guys. Oh man, it was just a few days back, but one of the most fun and eventful days. Getting on a bike after so long felt so good. I just didn't want to stop, but then I need to gain full fitness to be able to handle everything on a bike. It was just a fuel break which extended to almost 1 hour. I was like a kid. So I had a petrol bunk right beside my house, but I just went till high-tech city just so that I can ride. It was amazing. After that, I had another day on the bike when I went to Driven. Most of the guys, as you know, are on a bike trip, so didn't have many to join me, and engine check light went off. I just recharged the battery a few weeks back, so that light has been showing up since then, and after a short ride it probably reset on its own. No more lights on that. I just need to restart it once and see if it's fine. Why don't we go and do that? But till such time, why don't you guys watch this short session I had with one of the most exciting scooters in India. It's not the current gen which is launching. It's 1 year old, but still there's a lot more in common to the new version that they're launching soon. You'll know what it is. It was pretty fun, man. Let's see. First time on an electric. Ooh, love the sound. Eerie feeling, man. It's like super silent till 20. Oh, the ride's pretty hard, but sporty. It does corner well. Brakes are good. Oh man, it's a fun bike, fun scooter. Keep calling it a bike because it feels like a bike. This is Echo, very subdued. You let go of the throttle, change to R, ride mode, slightly more responsive. And then go to sport. Ooh. Oh yeah, does corner well, man. I feel it should probably have more feedback on the throttle. It's coming from a ICE engine. The brakes are damn good, dude. Oh, I love that sound, man.
How's it?
Loved that short test drive. It was so much fun, guys. The top speed on that is only 80, but you get like 20 Nm of torque instantly, and that was the best part of that scooter. Super fun. And the new scooter 450X, which they're launching sometime in July, which me, Chaitanya and his brother-in-law booked, by the way. I'm still not sure about buying it because it's priced. It's a whole different video about pricing that. about its price, but it says that that has 26 Nm of torque. It's light up by 11 kilos, so I'm sure it's going to be super fun. I met the CEO of Ather at this open house, by the way, and I've requested him to get me a 450X. It would be great if they can offer me the 450X, because it's been so long since I had that much of fun, and just me riding it back to back after the street win. These two vehicles represent two different spectrums of motorcycles. One is a retro classic ICE with a lot of electronics. The other one is a purely electric scooter, which is great for city. And be it the exhaust note or the riding dynamics or how it feels, they're contrasting, but at the core of it, they're both so much fun to ride. So in that sense, it was a good contrasting experience. I hope you guys found it on the video too. So after almost 2.5 months of no riding, these are the two vehicles that I get to ride, and oh man, it was the best experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that's it for this vlog, and I hope to catch you guys soon. More on this EVs trend, because that's a bug that bit me and I'm unable to get rid of. Catch you guys on the next one. See you soon. Bye.